I'm just not born with a good memory. It's one of the biggest lies we tell ourselves. We accept that our ability to remember names, dates, and formulas is a fixed trait, a gift that some people have and others don't. That is a lie. Memory is not a gift. It is a skill. It is a muscle. And like any muscle, it can be trained to a level of power you can't even imagine right now. Today, you are stepping into the dojo. We are going to awaken your mind's Sharingan, the ultimate eye for perception, analysis, and perfect recall. This is your training protocol. Level 1, the One-Tomo Sharingan, the art of perception. The first stage of the Sharingan is enhanced perception. A ninja with the Sharingan doesn't just see a flurry of hand signs. They perceive each one with perfect clarity. The first step to remembering is to learn how to truly see. You cannot remember what you never properly observed in the first place. You will now begin the 5-minute observation drill. Once a day, go into a room or look at a detailed image online for just 60 seconds. Your mission is to absorb as much detail as you can. Then, turn around and on a piece of paper, write down everything you can remember. The colors, the objects, the number of books on the shelf. Finally, compare your list to the reality. At first, you will be shocked at how little you notice. But this daily drill trains your brain's attention muscle. It forces you to move from passively seeing the world to actively observing it. Level 2, the Two-Tomo Sharingan, the art of encoding. The second stage of the Sharingan allows the user to perfectly copy any technique they see. This is the power of flawless encoding. Your brain is terrible at copying boring, abstract information like lists and numbers. To encode it perfectly, you must translate it into your brain's native language, images and locations. The ultimate jutsu for this is the Mind Palace. Choose your location, a place you know perfectly, like your own house. Set your path. Identify 10 to 15 distinct stations in a logical order: front door, shoe rack, kitchen sink, etc. Create bizarre images. This is the key. To memorize a list, you place a weird, exaggerated, multisensory image representing each item at each station. The more absurd, the better. You are copying the data into a format your brain can't forget. You are no longer trying to memorize a list. You are simply remembering a series of strange things that happened on your walk through your house. Level 3, the Three-Tomo Sharingan, the art of retrieval. The fully matured Sharingan can see through illusions and predict an opponent's movements. This is the power of flawless retrieval, even under the genjutsu of exam stress. It is not enough to have the information stored, you must be able to access it instantly when it matters most. You will train this with 2 drills. The ambush drill. Use a spaced repetition app like Anki. It will ambush you with random flashcards from different subjects throughout the day. This trains your brain to retrieve information with zero context, just like in an exam. The time pressure drill. When you are doing practice questions, give yourself less time than you need. If a question should take 5 minutes, give yourself 4. This forces your brain to build faster, more efficient neural pathways for retrieval. You are training your mind to operate at combat speed. Perceive with clarity, encode with creativity, retrieve with speed. This is the path of the shinobi. An exceptional memory is not a bloodline trait you are born with. It is a dojitsu, an eye technique, that is awakened through consistent, deliberate, and intelligent training. You have the protocol. The training starts now. Awaken the eye of your mind.